Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
He said he has gotten job with a Chinese company, and the condition they gave him is for him to be living here. He's a driver, he was employed as a driver. So they don't allow him to come home. He will work from Monday to Sunday, and in that work, I asked him, do they give you a bonus for this extra work you are doing? He said no. He will drive from morning till night, no food. This man will not come home. Even though if he come home for some while, he will not even stay more than 1 hour. He will run back to this place because there is no work. So that last year ended. He came home, they gave them either 2 weeks for Christmas holiday. So by December 4th, he resumed work back here. So he didn't come home from that January to February. So he now called me. He said he's sick. And the way I'm hearing his voice, he's not good in the phone. He cannot speak well. I said, what is wrong with your voice? He said he's sick. I said, if you are sick, come home now so that you go to the hospital. He said they didn't give you time. Okay, you are sick. Do they take you to the hospital? He said no. Okay, what treatment they gave to you? He said no treatment. I said what? I said come home. He said they are not giving you permission. I said okay. So February 20th, he now came. I could not even recognize my husband again. He was having swelling at the back of his neck, at the side. Then inside the throat, there is a growth inside. I said, what kind of sickness is this? What did you eat? What did they give you? He cannot even talk. So no money, they have not paid. So we waited until they pay him. When by the time they now pay him, I call my husband elder brother. He came. We took him to teaching hospital, Babalada. We were there. So I asked my husband, I said, since you are here, I didn't see any of your staff. And I didn't see the Chinese man you are driving. See other people, other patients that are sick here. Some white men, they will come, they will check their staff, and they will go. In different occasions. I said, your own is not like that. What is happening? He said, Chinese people, they are wicked people. So I said, okay, let me go to your office. He said, no. What I did, I now pick my husband for, I see one of the staff name, his name is Tony. I call him. When I went to him and I called him, I explained, I said, this thing your people are doing, the white men are doing, is very bad. I said, my husband is seriously sick. He's there working. They did not release him to go home. When they see that the sickness has become worse, they now say he should go home to go and treat himself. And now that we are in hospital, I didn't see anybody. I'm coming to your side. He said, I asked him, when do they used to close from work? And which day and which day they work? He said they work from Monday till Sunday. I said, which kind of work is that? So, in that teaching hospital, it's my husband's family, my church member, they were sending money. They took my husband to the theater. They did the operation. Money got finished. They now refer my husband to National Hospital and no money again. I said, my husband, either you like it or not, with my husband and that brother, I said, I'm going to your place of work. Let me go and meet them so that they will give us something. So I now came here. They discharged my husband from teaching hospital and refer him to National Hospital on the 5th of April. He was at home. So I came here. I met Mr. Tolu. He took me to the white man my husband was driving them. So they took me to their conference room. The man did not hear English. They were doing interpreter. So I asked the man, I said, in this your company, you don't have condition of service. How can somebody be sick here? You did not allow him to go home to go and treat himself. And now that you people release him, you see him is at point of death. He now says he should go home to go and treat himself. I said, we need money. He said they don't have money. I said, sir, we need money. Now they refer my husband to National Hospital. So he now told Tony that they will give me 50,000. Before they will give me that 50,000, I will sign paper. I said, which paper is that? They brought the paper. They wrote termination. I said, God forbid. I said, I will not sign. So Tony now persuaded me that I must sign. If I did not sign, they will not give me that money. I said, okay, they should wait. I now call my husband. I said, see what is happening. They didn't give me anything. I see what they said. They should sign paper. And I told him the same. What I will do that we don't have any option. I have to sign. Because maybe he was afraid in case he got him. If he come back, maybe they will not employ him again. That is why he just said I should sign and he will need that money. So when I signed, I said they should make copy and give me the copy. The Chinese man refused. And I told him, I said I must collect the copy of this paper. They refused to give me. I called my husband again. He said I should come. I should just leave there. I should come back home. I went home. So that was on the 8th. Then on the 12th of April, because the situation was so critical, to the extent that my husband started vomiting blood. Even the first tumor, because they said it's tumor in his throat. I said, what have you eaten? Because I heard that he used to eat Chinese remnants. Because I don't have chance to go and buy food and eat. Even if you want to go and buy food, where will you buy food in the night? No money, nothing. So we now took him to National Hospital because he has started vomiting blood. He's vomiting blood. When we took him there in the midnight, so on the 13th of April, 2:30 in the afternoon, that was how my husband gave up. He died. After his death, 4 days, my first daughter, because she's in the school now, we came here together. I said, let me go and see the white man my husband used to drive. We came here again. I told them that my husband is late too. They said they cannot do anything. Even meanwhile, that time I came to meet them, that I came to collect, they gave me that 50,000. I brought all the receipts we used to buy drugs, the operation, the blood they gave me. I brought everything to show them. The white man said it's not his concern, that is on his own. I said, how can you say it's on his own? So I was angry. The Tony was calming me down, that I should calm down. So that day I came back to inform them that my husband was late. So all this load here, because they don't allow him to come home, they force him to deny his family. My husband doesn't come home, but he dies. So we came to collect the item here. I now meet the white man he was driving. I said my husband is late, so we need money. He said he don't have money. What he did, he gave me 5,000. He said I should use it and buy biscuits. Yes. I shed tears. I said, what kind of agony is this? My husband, all the suffer, this man suffer. So when we were about to come out, they called one Papa. He's a Chinese too. He don't hear me. They told him that this is Augustine's wife. He now said I should wait, and now wait on his own. He went, I don't know, he went to the office, he came out, he gave me envelope. So when I got home, he did not say his company that gave me, it's on his own. So when I got home, I opened the envelope, it was 20,000 inside. So I'm been waiting for them to call me so that they would do something. They did not. That was how I moved forward to call labor union in Guarempa to go and explain myself to him that, see what happened. They deny. Even when we came here, I bring the post and they deny that my husband did not work here. Yes. They said they did not know my husband. It was the worker that said, Augustine is a staff here. That was how I went to the union that they should fight for me. I need justice. I need justice. Thank you, sir.
Yes, so my people, as I tell una say I go come back, I don't come back. Una welcome back. As una see that video, una watch, how una see am. I want una leave una comment for the comment section there. Una tell me how una see the matter, whether it good or it bad. If it good, make una let me know. If it still bad, make una still let me know. Una remember say everybody gets freedom of speech. Okay? All right. Thank you very much. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. It's your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.